Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Live po ito, nagre-report dito sa Calgary. So guys, may lulusubin tayong bahay dito kasi kung naalala niyo yung house tour namin dati na ginawa, yung bahay nila Ate Michelle and Kuya Ryan, di ba lumipat na sila? Ngayon, lulusubin na naman natin yung bahay nila para mag-house tour tayo. Medyo malaki-laki tong bahay na to kaya mahaba-haba yung video na to. Pero maganda tong bahay na to dito sa Calgary if you guys are interested sa mga pabahay dito. Kaya, let's go! Ingay-ingay nila. Ay, napakit na tayo. Taray, pak! Nilalamig pa kami. Pero hindi na gaano malamig kumpara nung mga nakaraang week. Kasi, ilang degrees yun, nag-minus 30, minus 20 plus, pero ngayon, minus, hello! Hindi ako naman, sexy candy naman. Okay, ayan na nga guys, nakapasok na tayo sa bahay nila Ate Michelle. Kung naalala niyo sa Ate Michelle, siya din yung nag-house tour last time sa isang bahay na hinouse tour natin before. So, Ate Michelle, kumusta naman ang iyong bahay?
Eto, okay naman siya. So, as you guys know, we just moved in here last July. And then, galing kami doon sa kabilang bahay, which is sa Walden. So, totally unprepared. Hindi talaga kami bibili ng bahay. So, lahat talaga medyo nagulat sa desisyon namin. Kasi, nabigla din kami sa pagbebenta ng kabilang bahay. Kasi, totally hindi talaga namin ine-expect na bibili kami ng bahay. Kasi, ang plano namin talaga originally is pupunta kami doon sa isa namin bahay, which is the rental property. So, pero siguro nga, alam mo yun, pabago-bago talaga ang isip. Pabago-bago. Ewan ko, kasi parang hindi pa rin ako handang mag-move dun sa mas maliit na bagay coming from sa Walden na mas malaki ng konti. And then, lilipat dun sa mas maliit. So, parang hindi pa talaga kami handa. Tapos may mga batang maliliit.
So, kaya sisimulan na ni Ate Michelle yung pag-house tour ng bahay niya. Ate Michelle, take it away!
May ganun! So guys, ayan. So, ito ang pagpasok pa lang. Ito, porch namin. Right? So, pagpasok mo, entryway, mas maluwang siya kumpara mo doon sa kabilang bahay. What we also like about this house is sobrang bright. We really love the color of it. It's so white. Everywhere is white. So, para na kaming nakatira sa White House nitong mga panahon na to dahil sa sobrang puti ng bahay. Ayan. So, dito, eto, dahil Christmas ngayon, meron kaming ginawang nativity. We also have Christmas Village, nativity. Ayan. So, meron kaming mga pakulo dito ng konti para lang Pasko kasi. So, para lang may makikita pag Pasko. Ayan. Tapos, dito, meron din tayong washroom. Dito tayo sa main floor, washroom. Washroom, single washroom lang. Very simple. It's just washroom.
Ay, for guests.
For guests. Like, pag may dumarating na tao, so dito na sila nagwa-washroom instead na going sa taas. So, half bathroom, actually. Yeah. Yan. Ito ngayon, meron tayong coat closet. Dito namin nilalagay ang aming mga coat. Ayan, marami. Puno siya ngayon kasi maraming tao dito ngayon. As you guys know, I have my two nephews that just came from the Philippines and they're here to study. So, gusto niyo makita, tatawagin ko rin sila kasi nandito sila. Mag-hi lang.
International students din pala sila.
Yeah, international students din. Pogi daw! Sila! Kamay, magpakita naman kayo!
Ayan sila, guys.
Mag-hi lang, ayan. Hello!
Okay.
Naman, dito naman tayo sa kitchen. Kung naalala nyo, I think this is bigger than the other one. Yeah, so dito, mas maraming cabinet. Actually, nahihirapan akong punuin. Kasi masyado siya, marami talagang cabinet, but actually puno na siya. So hi to my kitchen, ito.
Very nice
yes,
kitchen.
Dito. So, mahirap talaga mag-house tour pag after Christmas kasi marami talaga siyang, kalat. Pero, ayan, tulong ng mga tao nakatira dito, They all help us. We help each other, and we were able to clean the house after like Christmas Eve.
Totoo.
Yes. Yeah. Guys, so what I like about this kitchen, aside sa spacious talaga siya, I really love the color. This is a modern farmhouse kitchen, and totally the whole house is a modern farmhouse.
Totoo yan.
So I'm from the Philippines. We live in a farm, and so this one is really a dream come true. So it's like me in a home, and then pero nandito. So yun.
Home away from home.
Yes, true. Guys, dito naman tayo sa pantry. This is a walk-in pantry. Pantry na makalat, pero pwede na rin. Paano maganda. So yeah, so I really love the shelf. The shelf is really kind of my style, so I'll be able to put all my decoration for every season. So Christmas, Halloween, we always change the decoration here. So depending on the season, like per se, the previous one was fall, so we have like fall decoration here. But now it's Christmas, so we take it down and then we put a different kind of decoration here.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. So rice cooker, hindi mawawala ang rice cooker. Tayong mga Filipino, we love rice. Yes. And ayan, I got a little bit of a collection here. It's really my dream to have this kind of appliances too when we were in the previous house. So guys, ito rin, nandito ang aming microwave. So microwave is down here. I don't know why they put the microwave in here, but I really like it when it's here. The only downfall with this microwave is when Riley, which is my little boy, come here and sometimes he plays with it. But so far, we don't have any accident, but I'm just scared that it's here too. Yeah. So, ayan, pantry uli. So that's where all my this is where we store our food. So yeah, I got
Very
everything
nice,
here.
Ate Michelle. Very
Yes.
nice. Oo.
Yeah, super organized, but actually hard to maintain having two kids around. So it's really a challenge actually. So what I really like about this house also, because kitchen is actually mine alone. Ryan don't touch my kitchen. He barely cooks, so I really like how it's designed. On the previous house, I don't know if you guys remember, we have just a regular closet for the pantry. But this one is actually an upgrade for us because we have all this counter, very long counter. So probably from here to there, it would be like 20-foot counter alone, just one side. So that's how really long it is. And then on top of that, this side is like the shelves where you can like organize all your food and your storage. So it's really an upgrade for us. So this one is another counter for us. This is actually my favorite because I have a cabinet here too where I put all my spices, condiments. So it's really an upgrade when you're like cooking here and you can just grab one thing, put it back. So everything is like, I guess, well organized for now. And then on the other side too, as you can see, there's another cabinet here. This is where we actually store our lunch kit. So a little bit messy. We just stick everything in here right now. Yeah, that one. Guys, tara naman sa dining. This is actually my favorite because this is where we serve our dishes every time I cook. For my family table, this is where we spend so much time when my dad and my mom is around. We always eat here. This is where we chit chat after work. So I really love this area of the house. So guys, what I like here too is the arch. I think it's one of the signature of the modern farmhouse. So yeah, I really love how it was made. It's actually, you don't have to put any decoration. That itself is a decoration for our dining area. So guys, isa pa sa nagustuhan namin dito, kasi nakita ko to, maraming nag-a-advertise. Pinakabit namin yung blind. So it's totally different from the one upstairs. Because upstairs, we want it blackout. But dito, this one, privacy lang. So, sa blinds na to, all our blinds dito sa baba, motorized. So, very high-tech na sa panahon ngayon. Kasi yung doon sa previous house namin, it's a cord that you pull it down. So, kung gusto mo siyang bumaba. But this one, you just click one thing. And then, it goes down on its own and then iwanan mo na siya. Hala na siya doon, bababa na siya hanggang baba. Ito yung pala yun. Ito pala yung bumababa on its own. Bahala na siya. Iwanan mo na siya dyan. Hinto na siya automatic. Pagdating niya, na-reach niya na yung bottom. Yan. Guys, I don't know if you remember on our previous house, yeah, our living room right now is a little bit bigger than the other one, but we actually hold everything from our previous house and we put here. So like for example, like this couch, it's from previous house, as well as these two chairs, we hold it from the other house. TV as well is from there. So yeah, so we don't actually bought a lot when we move here. We get everything. We able to keep what we have on the other house, and we just hold everything here. So I don't know if I tell you guys, when we sold our house, our plan is to move into our previous house and just live there for now, because at that time the market is very very hot and everything is just so expensive at that time. But then we saw this house. So the first time that we came here, me and Ryan fall in love with this house. We really love how open concept it is. So from there, you walk through here, you got lots of room, lots of spaces. And so we put an offer the same day that we saw the house. The next day, we were able to close the deal because we are really eager of getting it. Me and my husband Ryan fall in love with this house. Yeah. So guys, there's another room here. This is actually a secret room, but actually it's not a secret anymore because a lot of kids is in here. Peekaboo! Oh no! Go! So this guys is supposed to be a den, where it's supposed to be like where we're gonna have like a desk where we put our computer or like a study or something. But actually, it's not happening yet because we've been super busy. As you know, having two kids, one dog, it's really hard. Right now, this is just a playroom. So if you guys come in, you'll see it's very spacious. So we're actually thinking if there's anyone that wanting to sleep in here, we could make it make a room here. We could just put like a bed or something, because this is very spacious. You got a nice window, very big, lots of room for sure. So guys, we have another door here. As you can see, we got lots of door. We got lots of privacy. Privacy is very important to us. My husband Ryan, he's really into a privacy from the door to the window to everything. So yeah, guys, as you can see on the previous house, my husband Ryan, he developed the whole entire basement. So by himself. So he got a little bit help from me, probably from lifting stuff, but barely. 99% he did it. So this is a future project. This is undeveloped basement. This is where we put all of our stuff. So right now,
Busy pa.
yeah, right now still busy. They're very busy at work. So he works like 6 days most of the time, 6 days a week. So 1 day off, 12 hours a day. So he's really really busy right now. So still, we don't need this room yet. I mean, we don't need the basement developed yet, but for sure, in the future, for sure, it's a future project, and we are all excited. Like my family is so excited to show you guys what we're gonna make in this one. Because right now we have things in mind that what we wanna do here, and for sure we wanna show you guys, like friends, family. We are always, very happy to show of hard work that we will do in here. Yeah, for sure. Yay. So guys, there's another door. This is where our mudroom / kalat room. We got lots of kalat in here. We got candies cage. This is it's just basically just another storage for us. And yeah, helmet collection. Yeah, for sure. And yeah, so just another room for us. And then this one,
may mga bata din naman.
Yeah, so
helpful naman. Sorry.
That's true. Yeah, true. Because if you don't like toys itself, is really, you need really a room for storage. So this one, another one. This is just a garage.
Ito na yung connecting sa bahay niyo.
Yeah. Yeah. So from the door, from the garage, you go straight, and then go straight here. This is gonna be connecting from the garage. So there's another door here going to the
yung pantry mo.
Pantry.
And kitchen. Wow!
There. So guys, dito na naman tayo sa taas. Yeah, dito naman, lakad-lakad lang. Love my tree.
Oo nga, ang
Yeah.
very nice. Ang
Come
daming
on here.
very lively.
Yes. Dito naman tayo sa taas. Oh, eto si Ryan. Si Ryan, the builder. Come here, Ryan.
Hello! How are you? Kumusta? Ano, dito muna tayo sa bonus room? Okay, come in. So, ito yung bonus room. May couch dito. So, nag-build ako ng accent wall para maihang yung TV. So, ngayon, nag-build si Martina ng Lego, saka si Carmela. So, kasi yung bahay is sa farmhouse, kaya ang napili kong wall, parang barn wood style. So, nag-build ako ng wall, tapos kinubit ko to, tapos hinang namin tong TV. Tapos itong wood na to, wala to, tere-terang kahoy lang sa mga poste ng sa deck, ganun. Tapos ginawa ko, winire brush ko lang siya, saka ako in-stain. Tapos nilagyan ko lang ng design na kunwari. Kasi ito kinabit ko rin to, yung fireplace. Tapos ito yung pinakaharap ng bahay. Nakikita mo tong bintana. Yan yung harap, yan yung playground sa labas. Tapos may Christmas tree dyan. Tapos this is my favorite spot. May massage chair. Tapos tara dito sa hallway. So itong hallway na to, makikita mo yung tao na papasok sa harapan. Ayan. Tapos may chandelier din dyan. Tapos may bintana para maliwanag. So sa araw, hindi na kami nag-iilaw. Kasi may yung lights from the sun. Tapos puro white pa yung wall. Kaya napakaliwanag dito. Tapos sa master bed. So, ito yung master bed namin. Halatang nagtatrabaho sa NW. May NW bear. Tapos naka-king size bed. Yan. Tapos ito yung window sa likod. Ito yung window namin. Tapos yung blinds niya, they call it honeycomb. So, pagka sinyat mo siya, totally dark. Wala kang makikitang liwanag. Okay na okay sa akin to kasi nagtatrabaho ako ng gabi tapos sa araw gising ako. Lahat ng kwarto namin ganito. Tapos kung gusto mo naman ng konting liwanag, lights, ibaba mo lang to. Yan. Kung gusto mo rin 50-50, taas mo ng konti. Yan. Tapos totally down. Tapos totally down. May sunlight pa rin siya, pero may privacy. Hindi ka makikita. Ayan. Tapos may TV din. Washroom muna. Washroom. So, ito yung washroom namin. Ito, dalawang sink. Saka may bathtub. Si Riley lang saka si Martina gumagamit. Saka may toilet. And then, yung shower. Okay. So, tayo sa closet. Ito yung closet. Ito kagagawa ko lang. Siguro mga couple weeks na. Mga 2 weeks na to. Ito na tayo sa closet. Ito ginawa ko lang lahat. Siguro mga 2 weeks ago. Isasend ko na lang kay Kimi yung before and after picture. Dati ko lang to wire shelf. Tapos ginapitan ko ng mga cabinet. Ayan. Marami hanggang babayan. So, bali sa akin tong side na to, ito naman kay Michelle. Para hindi kami nag-aaway.
Oh my God!
Tapos dito sa likod, dito yung mga lagayan ng sapatos. Kung makikita nyo, tapos may salamin dyan. Dito yung sapatos ko, dito rin sapatos niya. Yun lang. Oh, sa may kuhan. Laundry.
Yeah.
So, laundry. So, ito yung laundry, medyo makalat. So, ito, dinagdag ko din. Ginawa ko to. Kasi sale. Tapos yan, yung mga shelf na yan, ginawa namin. Saka itong vacuum, hinang ko din. Tapos, ito, maganda to. Para sa mga nagtitipid, gumawa ko ng sampayan. Yan. Ayan, ilalak mo. Tapos pwede yung hanger dyan. May sample ba? Lagyan mo natin sample. Pwede siya sampayan, hangeran. Ayan.
So guys, ayun nga. So Ryan show you guys the laundry room, which what he did. So nilagyan niya nga ng hanging thing. So para pag naglaba kayo, doon sa mga nagtitipid, gaya nga nasabi niya, magsampay na lang kayo. Tapos later on, pag tapos na kayo, tanggalin nyo na rin para hindi na rin nakakalat dyan. So ngayon, dito naman tayo sa ating 2 more bedrooms. So up here, there's a 3 bedrooms, so 1 master bedroom and just 2 regular bedrooms. So, first of all, dito muna, washroom muna tayo. So, for the 2 rooms that we have here, they normally just use this one kasi dun sa master bedroom, we have our own washroom, so we don't have to use this one. This one is actually for just the two occupants that stayed in this bedroom. So, this is what their washroom look like. Everything is white, guys, just so you know, I love white. Okay, so dito naman tayo. So this is the other bedroom. This is Martina's room. So this is my daughter, Martina. Martina, do you want to show your room to Ate Kim? There you go.
These are just my friends. They just want to play here. Their name is Carmela and Moyer. And so this is my room. And here's my dollhouse. This is my closet there. This is just some extra stuff of toys here. Here's an extra dollhouse, and here's a big dollhouse. So here's where I put my panty, my socks, my swimming clothes, and everything else. And this is where I put me and Carmela, and she's my best friend. Carmela, want to say hi? No. Come on. So this is my humper. This is my suitcase here. And this is my bed. And the ones in the top are just like all decorations. There's like pictures there's stuffies, there's squishy-mallows.
Tina, did you show them your tent? That you have tent in your own room too?
Yeah, I have a
Yeah,
tent
show them.
too.
So nice. Very
Yeah.
cozy.
Yep, cozy too. So here's my closet. It's pretty nice and clean. See it? Here's my one of the backpacks are in the top. There's a connected set. There's a bag there. There's some blankies, some more blankie there, and there's some pants here. Pretty messy. We're having actually a sleepover today since it's Christmas Eve. Hi, alligator.
So guys, this is the last bedroom. So ngayon dito natutulog yung dalawa kong pamangkin. Dito sila nag-i-stay. So this is my mom's and actually my mom and my dad room. But since wala sila, nasa Pilipinas nakabakasyon, sila muna natutulog dito. So natutulog yata sila since gabi na rin naman. So pero gigisingin natin. Hello! Ay,
Hello
eto,
po.
gising! O, eto, pasok
Welcome
kayo.
po sa room namin. Natutulog na po ata po. Naantok na po.
Eto na raw, natutulog na yung isa. So, ngayon, eto, may pasok ka, Ate Kim. Eto yung kanilang bedroom. So, ito, queen size bedroom. But then, I mean like, queen size bed, pero still very spacious naman. So, still lot of room to go around even though we got lots of stuff around here. So, yan. Yan na nga. Hi guys, thank you for coming. So, ito na yung buong bahay. Nakita nyo na. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. So, please, like and subscribe Kim Kat sa Vancouver. Amazing people. Very dear to us. So, sana we see you again. Yun lang. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Dito tayo sa baba.
Okay, so Ayan guys, dahil nga pinayagan tayo nila Kuya Ryan and Ate Michelle na mag-house tour sa bahay nila, may kaunti tayong gift para sa kanila, lalo na Christmas naman. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo, a token of appreciation. Maraming
Thank you
salamat.
so much.
Ayan.
So guys, don't forget,
Thank you.
subscribe.
Subscribe, guys. Very,
Kim Cat.
Kim Cat.
Thank you. Panalo to.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.